exercise 6.4. We have to do the exercise 6.4, in which we have to find the square root of the following numbers by the division method. Okay, so let's start with the first part, in which the square root of 2304 can be calculated as follow. The first number is 2304. We have to write it like this: 2 3 0 4. So I will pick which number, Sukena? That is the exactly number, maybe less than 23 or maybe equals to. I will pick the which number. But number should be same.
4.
4. 4 fours are?
16.
Very good. 4 fours are 16. So 23 minus 16.
23 minus 16.
No, 13 minus 16, because this is a greater number and this is a smaller number. So 13 minus 6 will give 7. 7. And 0 and 4 will below here. No. Now we have to solve 704. 704 will solve by which number? So I can get the answer 0.
So 4 plus 4 is 8.
4 plus 4 is 8. Then
8 into 15, I think 12 will come. 8.
no, I have to get the answer 704. I will trying to multiply the number with the 4. Which number will be multiplied with the next number? Then I will get the same answer. Okay, so which number I will pick? In which 704 will be present? 704 will be present. Let's start with the there is a smallest number like 25. 25 multiply with 8, answer is 200. That is much smaller. I will move to the further next. I will multiply 75 with the 8, answer is 600. I am much near to it. Okay, now I will multiply 75 with 9, answer is 675. I have to increase my number. Now I will multiply 82 with 4, answer is 328. No, I have to increase my number. I will multiply 88 with 7, answer is 616. I am much close to it. What if I multiply 88 with 8? Oh, after I multiply 88 with 8, I get the answer exactly 704. And then answer is 0. So the perfect square of 2304 is 48. Simple. Understood? This is how you have to solve this division. Okay? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Which question you want me to solve the next? Which seems difficult to you?
7,920.
The part. You have to tell me the part.
What are 8?
8. Let me check. The 8th part. 7,921. Okay. Question number 7th part.
Yes.
7th part, that is 7,921. 21.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to find the perfect square of this number. We have to draw the perfect square rule and method, and the 7, 9, 21 will here. Now I have to pick the number that will give me the exactly or maybe the less number. So if I choose 79 or less number, anything I have.
7 7s are 60. 7, 8 8s are 64.
8 8s are 64. So I will start with the 8 8s are
64.
8 8s are 64. Now 79 is minus with 64 gives 15 21. Now I have to pick the number that will be the exactly minus of that number.
16 will be 8 plus 8 is 16.
No, which number will be the exactly number that will give me the zero answer? The number that is present 150, 100, 1521 present in which number? We have to pick that number. Maybe we can multiply the three different number with the one number, then we will get the same answer. You can simply do this like this. You can simply like 15. Now we have to do the division of 15 21. You can start from the any smallest number or any bigger number. Okay. You can simply 15 21 start dividing with the 2. 2 is the very smallest number. We will not get the answer from the 2. What if we divide with the 8? No, it is giving us the not a proper answer. So with the, for example, with the 9, 9 ones are 9, and then 15 minus 9,
That will carry over. So we come 15 0.
it gives us 6. Then 621 will be here. Now the 621. What do you think about 9 6 are? 54. Nearby number. Nearby. 9 5s are? 9 6 are, sorry.
45.
54. Now 62 minus with 54 gives 81. Now look here. 9
9s are
9
81.
9s are 81. So it's mean that when we multiply, can you multiply? Now how will you find that which number will be placed here and which number will be placed here when we done with this kind of division? I just start the division from the every number. When I go to the 9, I will get the exactly 0 answer here. We get? So we have to do this, that this 9 will be placed here and this quotient will place here. When we multiply 169 with 9, and then answer is 1521. This is the trick when you have to solve these kind of divisions. Okay, the trick is when you will get the answer here, you have to multiply the number. You have to divide that number with any number. You have to divide it like continuously till you get the answer 0. Till you get the answer 0. So when you get this setup, you have to use this number. The divisor will be here. Sorry, the quotient will be here. 169 will be placed here and this divisor will be above in the quotient, and then you will get the exact answer and their answer will be 0. This is how you have to solve this. Understood? Let's do another part which make your practice more easy.
Okay.
Pick any other part.
Yeah. We will do the 11th part.
3136.
Yes.
Okay. Now first I have to divide with the exactly number that will give me the exactly 31 or maybe less number. We can say simply the answer is just clear as. This is the 11th part. 3 1 36. Can you tell me the number? Which number will I use here? That in which table that is the exactly number present, maybe less or equals to 31.
4 4s are 16.
That is
5
2
5s are
for 5 6 are. What is 5 6 are?
30.
5 6 are 30.
Yeah, ma'am, but then aren't they supposed to multiply number to the
So
same
we have to
number
use
for
with the same number, na?
yeah.
Yes, so we have to pick the which number?
5 paisa 25.
Yes,
And
5. 5s are 25. Very good. Now 31 minus by 25, give me the answer. That will be 6. And then 36 will be here. Now we have to solve the 636 until we get the answer 0. Here. Now divide the 636 will be divided with which number?
3, 2, 2, 7,
Maybe with the 6.
4.
With the 6. That is visible. Like 6 ones are
8
6.
64.
6 ones are 6.
And
And
7
36 here.
7 7.
6 6 are 36. 16. So can I 16?
Okay, ma'am.
So we have to multiply 16 with 6. Multiply 16 with 6, then tell me the answer.
16 with 6.
Yes. 16 is multiplied with 6. Then what will be the answer?
16 into 6.
6 6 are 36. 6 here. 3 on carry.
6 6 are 36. 6 3 on carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 7 8 9.
No, I think we are getting the 96.
Yeah, ma'am.
We have to get the
Ma'am, 5 plus
636.
5 is 10.
Yes?
So it should be 5 plus 5 is 10, right? So
No,
how did
we
I
are
get
making some mistake. When 6 ones are 6, then 6 here 6 6 are 36. So we have to get the answer 16. When we multiply 16 with the 6, the answer is 96.
so the answer is wrong?
No, yes, answer is wrong. So 636 is divided with the 6. The answer, yes, we are making a mistake. Last time I told you, the thing I told you that when we have to do this thing, look here. We are making a mistake like this. This is a 6 ones are 6. Now these two digits will come here collectively. When the two digits come collectively down, we have to put 0 here. 0. So this will be 1 0 6. Now you have to multiply 106 with 6. You will get the exact answer 636. Now 106 will place here, and that is and the 636. This is how you have to solve this. Now I hope you understood. When you are not able to solve the answer when you get from the first division, you have to solve this division with the any number until you get the answer 0. Then you have to place this front and this here. Remember this trick, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now can you do the part 4? Fifth part. 3249. 3249. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following number without any calculation. We don't have to use the calculation. We just have to solve this. So how we can solve this?
Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following.
No, simply you have to put bar on that number. If the bar is on 2 digit, answer will be 1. If the bar is on 3 digit, answer will be 2. Okay? Let me tell you how you have to solve. This is a 2. First part. When the 64, let's put bar on this number. 64.
So 64 square root is 8. So
Yes, very good. They just told us you don't have to solve. You don't have to do the calculate something. You just have to give the answer. So we can say this. Since there is only one bar, the square root of 64 will have only one digit in it. This is how you have to do done with in your school as well.
No.
How you have how you just write it like
Just
8.
find.
You just write it down like the 8 is
Yeah.
the, yes, okay, got it. So let's do for the second part, in which this is 144.
1 minute.
144, it will have a 2 digit, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will, no, this is the 3 digit, the answer will be 2 digit, which is the same two number. By multiplying both of them, we will get the answer. Which number?
144. Two nine, sir.
No, 12, we have to pick the same number. When we multiply 12 with 12, answer is 144. Understood?
Yes.
And for the third part, when we have 4489, now this is the 4 numbers, then the answer scale will be in a 3 number.
So yeah, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So which number will
So
be
it
the
will be
exactly multiple of this 4489?
Find the digits of the, ma'am. If it means 64 means it square it's 8, so it's 1 digit. Like 12, it's 2 digit. Like that.
Yes. Yes. So
Find
4489 is derived from which 2 or 3 digits? 3 digits. The scale of which 3 digits? You didn't get the number? It's mean that it's a scale of 3 different exercise, that is the 6.4, the last exercise of chapter number 6. We have to start the question number 3. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. So we have to find the square root of the following numbers. The method will be same, but we have to do with the decimal numbers, the points. Okay. So basically we will start from the first one. The first one is 2.56. First you have to find the square root of the 2.56. How the square of the root of 2.6 can be calculated? Okay, how can be calculated? You have to place 2.56 first. Okay, 2 point like this. This is how you have to start the question. This is exercise 6.4, question number 3, and we have to find the square root of 2.56. So it will look like this. I have to make a boxes. Okay, 2.56 will stay here, and we have to solve with any number that will give the exactly number that is equals to it or maybe less than. So what do you think? We have to start from which number? Do we have any number? No, we have to start like step by step. You cannot multiply any number and you will get the exactly 2 numbers. You have to do this 1. Very good. 1 ones are 1. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. When we shift these two below, and the point will be shift at the quotient here. Now the which digit will be divided to give the exactly 156?
2.
Now we have to divide 156. Okay, for this you can divide 156. You can do this, you can do the 156 prime factorization. Okay, 1 will be shifted here, 14. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Got it? 1 here, then 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. No, the 31 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. And then 13. Well, now we have to multiply all of these. We will get the exact number. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. That is 156. That is 156. But which number will give us the 156? No, what thing I told you in the last class, how we can find the number? We have to divide this. Can I told you the trick now?
Yeah, we have to divide it with 2.
Yeah, divided with the 2. Do you think we will get the answer with the 2?
No, so we have to do 156 by 3.
156. Okay, with the 3, then 156.
3 5s are 15.
3
3 5s are
5s are 15.
And 3 2s are 6. That is 0 in the between, right, ma'am?
Yes. No. 15 is just cancelled. Like 3 5s are 15. We don't have to shift the whole number here. Like two numbers are not coming down. So we don't have to put the 0 here. So I think 52.
52, but this isn't 1 plus 1 2.
No, I think there is a mistake. What if we did this with the...
I think it's even numbers.
What if we did with the 6 number, no? Like 156 divided with the 6.
6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It's coming. 6 2s are 12.
$156 with the 6. 6 2s are 12. And then 15 minus 12 gives 3. 36. 6 6 are 36. So 26 will here and 6 will here gives 156. This is how you have to solve it. So the 2.56 is equal to 1.6. Got it?
Yes.
Done? This is all the question will be done like this, okay?
Yes.
Can you do the rest of part, or I can help you? In which question you need help? Or you think you can do
I will
that?
do the second one, and then I can do the fourth one, the 42 one. You can do the third and fifth.
Okay, third and fifth. Third is about 51.84. Have you finished this?
No, I have to wait.
No, you have to work with me now. Now let me open all the pages. Wait. Now you will listen and I will share the pictures and you can complete them, okay? Okay, now we have to start the question number 3, part 3rd. The part 3rd. Okay, in the third part, this is 51.8. Listen carefully,
Yes.
okay? So we have to do 51.84. We have to do the 51.84. Now we have to find the exactly same number. We have to divide the first two digits same, then we will get the answer. Can you give me that number? Which number will be the same and gives a 51 or maybe the less than 51?
7 7s are 42. 7 7s are 40. Wait, what is it? 7 7s are 49.
Very good. 7 7s are 49. 51 minus 49. 2.
Then this is
2,
4.
and then below there will be 84, and then point will be shifted here. Okay, now we have to divide 84 to get the exact number that will subtract and gives 0. Can we find that number?
Subtract and gives
284.
I will go actually with 2 this time because 7 plus 7, how much is it? 7. This is 51.84. So here it will be 7.759 equals 284. So 284 to.
For example, if we do this, you can see it can be solved by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Is it not? Like this. 2 ones
The
are
answer should be with 14.
142.
Yeah, it's 142. The answer.
Yes. So here is 142. Where I have to write this 2 and where I have to write 142?
142 will be in the with this side about 284,
Okay.
and the 2 will be in the point
Yes.
7.2.
And we will get the 0, and the under square root is 7 point. Understood? Now can I do the part number 5th?
Yes.
I hope you understood. It is easy.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So the 5th part says 42.25. Is it?
Yes.
No, the 5th part is 31.36.
Yeah.
31.36. So the 31.36 will here. Okay, so which number gives, with the same number gives the less or equal value of 31?
31. 26. 5 5 25.
Very good. 5 5s are 25. 31 minus 25. 6. 36 here, point here. Give me the number that will exactly neglect this 636. Subtract it, sorry.
Six ones are 63. 8 eights are 60. 8 eights are 6 1 2 6 1 2 3 so 6.
Have we find that
6
number?
ones are 6. I'm doing 0. And it will be 106.
106. Yes, 106. So 106 will be here, and then 636. Okay.
Yes.
Any question?
No.
Now we have to start the next part. The question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers. So as to get a perfect square, also find a square root of the perfect square so obtained. find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following number. First we have to find that least number that is subtracted from each of the following number, and after subtracting that we have to get a perfect square. We have to get the perfect square. After getting the perfect square, also find the square root of the perfect square. So first thing is we have to find the square root of 402 can be calculated by the long division method. We have to find the perfect square of 402. We will find the perfect square. When we find the perfect square, we will use the remainder. I think we have to use the remainder. That represent the 402, that will be the remainder. Okay, so the perfect square will be obtained by subtracting our remainder with the given number, and we will get the answer. Okay, let's do this. Finish with the question number. Let's finish with the question number 4. So the question number 4 will be like this. First we have to find the square root, perfect square root of 402. For finding that we have to do the long division, and their remainder will give us the perfect square. Okay, so here is 402.
So 2.
Okay, but we have to follow the step by step now.
I got
Scanner, try to avoid.
I got it.
You got it like for step by step following.
Yeah, I did.
Can you show me?
4, and then I got 02.
Okay, 404. Then we will have 2 2s are 4, and then and the 204. Then 02 will be here, and then 0 here, and then we have to divide the which number that will gives the exactly number 40. 0 0, and we will have a 2. Okay, so here this is the perfect square of 402. So we can say that the remainder is 2. It represents that the square of 20 is less than 402 by 2. Okay, so we have to write it remainder is 2. Okay, so it is less by the 20. So therefore a perfect square will be obtained by subtracting from the given number. So the 402 will be subtracted by the remainder. Answer is 400. So the required perfect square is 400. Got it? Maybe we don't have to subtract with the each remainder, is it? Yes, we have to subtract from each remainder. Understood, Sukena?
Yes, sir.
First you have to do this long division. Yes?
The required square is 400.
400. The perfect square of 402 is 400. We just have to subtract the answer from the remainder of the long division method with the given number. Which part I have to do the next?
1 minute. And
So we have to write it like this: under root we can say that when we have solved this, we have to they just told that look here, the question is the remainder is, for the first part the remainder is, yes, the remainder is 2. It represent that the square of 20 is less than 402 by 2. Square of 20 is less than by 400 by 22. Okay, got it?
yes, ma'am.
And after that they told us a perfect square will be obtained by subtracting, because 20 is less than 402. We cannot use that 20, we have to use the remainder, because 20 is giving us the perfect square. Okay, after we get 400, 400 has the perfect square on their quotient, that is 20. Here how you have to do this. This is the perfect square. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any question?
No, ma'am.
Now I will do the next part. I will do the which part?
The second part.
Second part. Let's do the second part. So basically in the second part again same thing will be go here. Okay. Second part is about the question is second part question is 1989. We have to find a perfect square by the long division method.
Yes, ma'am.
So the perfect square like this 1989. So we have to find the same number that will gives the exactly or less than. I think less than is 16. Then 4 fours are 16. 19 minus 16 will give 3, 8, 9. We have to find the exactly number that will subtract this. Can you find that number?
Let me think.
Done?
Then it 389. 3 ones are 3.
So I think we have to divide 389 which number? By which number?
3, I think.
Yes.
3 ones are 3. 89.
Yes.
89 can be divided with 3, which uh, hmm, 3 to this. I'm not getting the answer.
Yes.
89 is the square root.
Okay, when we multiply 84 with 4, I get the answer 336. Okay, 84. This is not we have to get the answer 0. We have to create the remainder. That doesn't matter, we have to get the answer 0. So we can get the number that is less than maybe equal than. And the less than is 336. Now we have to 389 minus with 336 will give us 53. We don't have to do the question until we get the answer 0. No, if we get any remainder, that is a good thing. We are trying to solve it. We are trying to find a perfect square. Okay, so here the remainder is 53. It represents that the square of 44 is less than 1989. by 53. So the given number will be subtracted. Okay, first 1989. Remember that when you get the remainder, we have to subtract that remainder from the given number, and by subtracting we get 1936. And when you get the answer, you have to put that in a under root, and that will, and the quotient of that answer is the perfect square. Okay, when you get the remainder, that remainder is the remainder, and it represents that the 44 is the less 44, that the square of 44 is less than 989. So when you subtract that given answer from the given number, remainder from the given number, you will get the answer. And when you put the under root, the quotient is the under root of that square, perfect square. Understood? Right now, can you do the part third for me? Right now, for the practice. Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do that. Question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following number so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square. Now in the previous question we subtract them. Now here we have to add them. Simply we have to find the perfect square. When we find the perfect square, we have to add. For example, the first one we get the remainder and it represents the square, and we have to add the next number, then we will get the exact number. Okay, let's do this.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 5th, first part. The square root, we have to get the 525 square root. Okay, so same number, 2 2s are 4.
4.
5 minus 2 will gives us 5 minus 4 will us give 1, then 125. So from which number 125 will be solved? You don't have to cancel that. Remember, you don't have to cancel that. We have to solve it until we get a remainder.
Okay, ma'am.
So 125 is divided by which number? We will get the less answer. I think if we multiply 42 with 2, we get a less answer, that is 84. Okay, by subtracting we get a 41. And now we have the remainder is 41, and it represents that the square of 22 is less than 525. So next number is, so the next number 22 is less than. Now we have to create a next number. What is the next number of 22? 23. So we have to do, if we didn't get a even number, like the proper number, so 22 is not the exactly square of the 525. When we multiply 23 with 23, we get the number that is 525, which is nearby. If we multiply 22, we get a very less number. So we have to increase one number until we get the exactly same or nearby answer. So 22 is not the perfect square of 525. We have to increase that. So increasing the number 23 square will gives me 529. Achha, 529. Okay. So the number to be added to 525. So the which number will be added to 525? So we have to add this number into 525.
Okay, ma'am.
No, we don't have to add here. We have to like 23 square minus 525, and both will give us 529 minus 525, and by subtracting both we will get the answer 4. So it says that the required perfect square of 529, like under root 529 is Exactly which number? 23. 525 we have to solve with this long division method. We get the answer 4, and by solving that we have to get the number that will give us the less number. So I
Ma'am,
get
are you doing the whiteboard?